federal judge could rule today on whether or not to drop the corruption case against New York City Mayor Eric Adams.
And that decision comes as the mayoral race may soon get a little more crowded. Former Governor Andrew Cuomo expected to announce if he'll run for mayor by the end of the month.
City and state leaders now encouraging City Council Speaker Adrian Adams to enter the race. Meanwhile, Mayor Adams is set to make a public appearance this afternoon following his court hearing yesterday.
Eyewitness News reporter CeFaan Kim live in the Mott Haven section of the Bronx with more. CeFaan.
Well, David and Sanjay, Mayor Adams is set to make a public safety announcement at the 40th precinct here in the Bronx. His strategy is to project a business-as-usual image and stick to his core message of fighting crime. But a day after appearing before a judge who seems likely to drop the corruption case against him, is the mayor's political fate any clearer? After a federal judge signaled yesterday he sees a limited role in denying DOJ's move to drop corruption charges against him, Mayor Adams emerged looking victorious. But his political future may still lie in the hands of Governor Hochul, who has the power to remove him from office.
The reality was that this was a state issue passed by the Governor Cuomo and was carried through by the current governor and the MTA.
That's why last night, when asked about a major issue impacting New Yorkers, congestion pricing, he danced around who he would side with in the governor's fight with the Trump administration.
I have enough fights for those who want to throw stones at me to recommend which fight the governor should have or shouldn't.
Acting Deputy Attorney General Emile Bovee put on the record in court yesterday the reason for dismissing the case is because it interferes with the mayor's ability to enforce the president's immigration agenda. Meanwhile, with the Trump administration moving to cancel congestion pricing, the governor, for her part, now with one less reason to placate Washington. When she was asked about the mayor's fate, Hochul, careful not to tip her hand.
Coincidence, this letter came on the same day that Mayor Adams was in court over the DOJ trying to remove the case against him, or if you think the Trump administration is trying to send a message in sending this letter today.
I have no clue.
Since we have been talking about Mayor Adams, can you
No,
share
we're
with
not.
us your
Next
latest?
question.
And days after the top New York State Senate Democrat, Senate Majority Leader Andrea Stewart-Cousins called on the mayor to resign and said she would support the governor if she chose to remove Adams, her counterpart in the lower chamber appearing to buy the mayor another day to fight.
Overturning the will of the voters is something that's, very serious. So I'm not there yet about him being removed or resigning. It's not something that should be taken lightly. It's unprecedented for a governor to remove a sitting mayor.
Now, there are a host of other risks the governor is facing if she chooses to intervene. We'll dig into that and the mayor's appearance moments from now on First at 4.